Hi everyone, this is Vibhutesh Chatterjee. Currently, I am working as a product associate with a fintech company. Previously, I was enrolled in the business analytics course with CoachX. My experience with CoachX was very pleasant as the course which was designed was very engaging and helpful to understand. The faculties were very helpful and they explained every concepts from basic to medium, intermediate to complex level, which were really helpful in my interview processes, starting from the initial screening round to the complex technical rounds involved. Apart from that, I would also like to thank the operations teams which facilitated an easy go through the course and helping us by arranging doubt clearing classes and soft skill sessions which really helped us in the interview process. Finally, I'll again really like to thank CoachX team for providing such a great experience. I really wish all the very best to the team and thanks again.